Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to add background on video or pictures in Google Meet. The first thing you do is open up the Google Meet app, then you click on the group. Now if you don't have a group, you can create a group by clicking on the new. Now over here we have 3 groups. I click on money, that's the name of one group. I click on this icon at the start, then it's on video now. Click on this icon here, and now I can add effects, blur, background, style, filters. Most of them I'm on background now. I can try to add this background, give it a few seconds, and that's it. So I can decide to add another background, give it a few seconds to load, and that's it. That is how to add background to video, so that when you record now, this will be the background that shows on your video. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.